Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to connect to the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots headphones on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to enable Bluetooth. Then you have to go to the Bluetooth section. Then to pair these headphones, take one of it, hold down the button on them, and after it starts to flash this white light, device will be available. It will appear in the available devices. Just tap on it, then tap pair, and as you can see, now I have my device connected to these headphones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.